Hello and welcome to Business Reporter. I'm Alistair Green and today we're going to be talking about how to keep customers safe online using digital identity. And joining me is Dr. Stephen Topliss from ThreatMetrix. Good morning.
Good morning, Alistair.
We read all the time, almost on a weekly basis, about all of these breaches. And it also seems a bit black and white that when the criminals have taken our identity and they've breached all of that data, that they've won and it's over. I mean, how can we turn this around?
So I don't really think it's black and white. I actually think that they haven't won. I think there's still an opportunity to win. Basically, when a breach occurs, that data is compromised and it's available, but then the data still needs to be actually used online to carry out an attack. So with the concept of a digital identity, we actually have the ability to try to determine when that data is used, whether it's the legitimate customer behind it or whether it's being stolen and being used in a malicious way.
Now, you use the term digital identity. What exactly do you mean by that?
So to understand digital identity, we really need to take a step back and talk about identity generally first. So let's go back 100 years ago to when you maybe walked into a bank to carry out a transaction. At the time, 100 years ago, the teller there may have been your neighbor, so they recognize you, or maybe you go in with your family, there's a pattern, and people in the bank recognize you. That's basically verifying your identity already. If you move somewhere else, then they may ask you to prove your identity with a passport, maybe a letter with your address on it, maybe a signature. Nowadays, when you're banking online, that visual part isn't there. So let's walk through an example. Do you use online banking? When did you